Darío, thank you for joining us today. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. I'm really excited about unveiling the secrets of the EINES Multi Error-Proofing Systems.
Wow, it sounds like we are about to uncover something fascinating. Let's start with the basics. Then, in which phases of automotive production can the multi-error-proofing systems be integrated?
The multi-error-proofing system is really incredibly versatile. You can use it basically all over each phase of the vehicle production. In the press and body shop stages, you can use it to check for holes, surface imperfections, and dimensional measurements. Then during the part assembly, you can use it to ensure the presence or absence of components and validate correct positioning and confirm part diversity. And finally, in the final assembly stage, it can handle tasks like label reading, optical character recognition, and color validation. Really, the flexibility of it makes it a really powerful tool throughout the entire production. And manufacturers with that can ensure precision at every stage, which is really amazing. And actually, during the webinar, we'll explore these applications further.
That sounds impressive. So, having said that, what exactly can this system detect in terms of defects?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, the system is designed to detect a wide range of defects, such as, for example, missing or misaligned parts, incorrect component positioning, part diversity validation, color and finish accuracy, dimensional measurements, and label readings using the optical character recognition technology. And really, it can handle super complex issues with exceptional accuracy and reliability. Again, we'll demonstrate most of these inspection types in our live demo during the webinar, so really don't miss it.
Yeah, indeed. Demonstrations are highly effective for observing the actual functionality of solutions in practice. Another common concern is whether such systems can operate in fast-paced environments. So, can the multi-error-proofing system work on moving production lines?
Yeah, absolutely, no problem. So actually, it's built for real-time adaptability. So it inspects whether a vehicle is stationary or moving along the production line. It doesn't matter which type of it. And this flexibility also allows manufacturers to maintain speed without compromising quality.
So you can take advantage of the car's movement without stopping, and therefore no cycle time is lost, correct?
Exactly.
Okay, thank you, Darío. Another topic, as you know, data management is crucial in modern manufacturing. How does this system handle inspection information?
Yeah, that's a great question. So actually, all inspection results, images, and data are stored in a centralized database. With that, you can ensure complete traceability, and the manufacturers can analyze the data then for process optimization. And also, it supports generating detailed and personalized reports.
Sounds good. So now let's talk about usability. Is the multi-error-proofing system easy to use?
Yeah, it's really easy. The system is user-friendly and designed with an intuitive interface and having in mind the operator in the end. And it makes it really easy for them to interact with it and configure. And also on top of that, we provide comprehensive training to help the users then also unlock their full potential. And as well, it's extensible. So it can grow with the customer's needs, whether it's adding new sensors, cameras, or functionalities.
Interesting. So this leads me to ask about the system's scalability. How scalable and flexible is the system for future requirements?
Yeah, these are one of our main priorities actually. So since we own our software, we can customize it 100% to meet the specific requirements of the customer. And the system itself can adapt seamlessly if you need to integrate any additional inspections or any new hardware. And for that, actually, with that, it makes it a great long-term investment for any kind of production line.
Thanks, Darío, for your answers. Now that you mentioned the hardware, I would like to ask, what kind of hardware powers this system?
So the system's core is a high-performance industrial computer, and we then use high-resolution cameras and specific lighting to complement it and to ensure precise defect detection. It's really a robust setup designed to handle super demanding environments.
Thanks for the clarification. So let's address the bottom line. How does this system help manufacturers reduce costs?
Yeah, there's really big cost saving potential there actually. It's by detecting the defects early, we can reduce rework and rejections. And with that, with the system, we also minimize human error through the automation and improve the efficiency of the line by performing multiple inspections at the same time, which otherwise would need to be done in different steps.
Of course, imagine that a defect is overlooked and reaches the customer. This will generate a lot of costs, wouldn't it?
Exactly, that's one of the main issues. It's very important to make sure that we don't overlook any defect, and that manifests itself actually then in the time when you actually finish the car, also the material use when building it, the repairing hours of the operators. These are all costs that incur if you don't make sure that the quality is perfect at each stage. And also, obviously, the brand image of the company is impacted.
Understood. Finally, what sets the multi-error-proofing system apart from other solutions?
So there's several factors actually that make it unique, but the main ones are, first of all, it's tailored for the automotive industry. So we designed these systems specifically with the sector in mind and making us true specialists because we've worked in it for a really long time. It's customizable, so it's completely customizable to meet the individual needs of the client. It can also perform several inspections at the same time, so it's capable of doing multitasking, and it's reliable. We select each component for maximum performance, even in the most demanding conditions. And we'll actually delve into these advantages in much more detail during our webinar. And it's an opportunity to see firsthand why EINES is actually the leader in error-proofing quality control solutions for the automotive industry.
Thanks, Darío, for giving us a sneak peek into this incredible technology. Any final words for our readers?
First of all, thank you. And I encourage everyone to join our webinar to learn more about how these systems can revolutionize your production line. And we'll also share a live demo of some of our error-proofing systems and also answer any questions you might have live.
Don't miss this change to hear more from Darío and discover how these systems can take your production processes to the next level. Register in our next webinar. Thank you for listening to us today.